Wet trimming with the Twister T2 is easy. It's all about the 3 Ps: product, preparation, and process. The condition of your flower is key. This is true with any style of trimming. So there's a few customizations within your trimming setup that will allow you to get the best quality trim. Water your plants 4 to 6 hours before bucking and trimming. Firm, spry leaves are easier to trim. Wilted leaves can often wrap around the flower, which can affect the overall performance of the machine. Remove any excess material, like larger fan leaves and stems. This will help produce a better final product and speeds up your trim time. There are 3 things to consider when customizing your trimming process. The first is the slope, or the pitch that the machine is set at. The second is your loading frequency, or how fast you're loading the tumbler. And the third is the size of handful, or the volume of product that you're loading into the machine. To start, load the first few handfuls of product into your T2. You'll notice that the first batch of product will make its way to the middle of the tumbler. Most of the trimming is going to occur in this area. Leave the first few ounces of product in the T2 for about 10 to 15 seconds before you load more product. This allows the first batch of product to spend enough time in the tumbler to trim correctly. As you load more product, you'll notice the tumbler will fill and new product will make its way down the tumbler, and product will naturally start to exit the T2. Now is your first chance to quality check the output. Make any adjustments to your loading speed, machine pitch, or volume of product being loaded. Once you've determined the trim quality is to your satisfaction, you can continuously load the machine every 10 to 15 seconds and just let gravity do its thing. If you're using conveyors, use a speed setting of 15 to 20 and disperse each handful across a 1-foot section. Make sure you watch for overloading, because this is one of the most common mistakes affecting your trim quality. Your wet trimming machine will arrive with a tumbler designed to work with most wet flower types. For some types of smaller flowers, the smaller tumbler shipped with dry machines might work better. This customization allows you to match your trimming setup with the conditions of your flower. And that's it. Results will vary with each new cultivar of flower, so keep practicing these variables and you'll be an expert trimmer in no time.